Alright guys, greetings everyone. Funika Nxitsa here, it's me again. Excited today. I haven't seen this in a while. Most of the time when you look at your portfolio, as you can see guys, this is my portfolio. In the 24 hours, my portfolio has gained about 2,170 US dollars. I mean 70 rands. I've actually converted that to rands. Almost 99% of my portfolio is green today. So if you check from coin 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down, they are all in green except this devilish one. Inenkani le coin ayifuna ukukhuphuka, but I'm keeping it on my portfolio because I know the potential that it has. I know the development team that is working on that coin. I know that by the time we hit the bull run, that coin will start jumping over to the green. So in total, on my portfolio, you can see that there's the total there. That is the only coin at the moment that is not in green. You notice the different amounts. As I always say, the importance of having a proper portfolio is that your coins will not gain the same percentages every day. Some coins will be green, some coins will be red. But what is important is making sure that you have a right, correct portfolio by choosing the coins that really matters. Then you should have a majority of your coins green and not have a situation where if the market is green, you only have 1 or 2 coins that are green. If your portfolio is like that, then you're doing something wrong. So I thought let me just share this because clearly this shows us that we are moving forward and something is definitely happening in the market. You would hardly have like 2-3 months back a situation where 90% of the portfolio is green. This is yeah, it's very encouraging, seriously encouraging, and truly shows that it pays to do the proper research. It pays to do to be part of these communities where information is shared. It helps you, it grows you as a person, being around the people who know what is really going on. So even though you do your own research, you have people surrounding you who are also much more knowledgeable than you, because you can't do this alone. There's no way I could do this alone. This is why I'm part of forums, part of groups, private groups, call them whatever. But my idea is that even though I am knowledgeable for all purposes intended, I still have other people that I look up to that would sometimes point at an idea and I would say, okay, I wonder what he meant. And I would go and Google and check. And sometimes I change my portfolio based on the new information that I grasp. For instance, this coin here, this one here, I definitely changed the portfolio about 3 days ago after sitting in the forum. And when the report was shared, I was like, oh, okay, I need to add on it. And guess what? Look at what it's doing. So that call was made based on information that I would have otherwise not have if I wasn't part of a team. It works like that. You can do it alone. You can go and buy Bitcoin if you like. But choosing the right portfolio is the key, guys. That is why if you look at the Americans and the UKs and the big countries, if you want a portfolio done, you pay a lot of money, because the coins that are going to be put in that portfolio are coins that they should have confidence themselves to say, yes, these coins have the potential. But for them to say these coins have potential, they should have done their job. My question to you is, do you have a proper portfolio, or do you have just one coin, or 2 coins, or you have 10 of the wrong coins, because not all the coins are going to run. We've already said this many times. It is important for your coin to have the right use case. We are talking about the fourth industrial revolution. What kind of industry should your coin be in order to have potentially in this run that we are expecting? Is the question. Well, I don't want to preach. 5 minutes on this recording is more than enough. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.